In Ukraine, the latest variants of Bayraktar TB2 attack drones have been spotted. Turkey has delivered its latest Bayraktar TB2 attack unmanned aerial vehicles to the Ukrainian military. The drones were further upgraded in order to detect targets and carry out reconnaissance at distances over 50 kilometers. Moreover, these drones were launched into mass production only in November 2021. Turkey officially announced that it does not supply weapons to Ukraine, stressing that Kyiv independently concludes contracts with private Turkish companies. As it turned out, among the attack drones recently delivered to Ukraine, there are new options equipped with Aselsan CATS optoelectronic systems. This is evidenced by a fragment from a video using a Bayraktar TB2 drone in the Kherson region, where you can clearly see that the drone is adjusting strikes from a distance of more than 48 kilometers. Experts note that the distance of 48 kilometers makes it difficult to timely detect Turkish drones by air defense systems. However, even despite this fact, the Russian Defense Ministry reports almost a daily defeat.